So assuming you folks felt that Vice planned to make that narrative about Tate and afterward leave it at that, no, the person that made it, Matt, is as yet coming at him, and presently he's in any event getting down on the Andrew Tate fan base. Another article come out expressing out loud whatever bad habit writer Matt gained from going to an occasion for more lucrative Andrew Tate fans and from competing with the man himself, yet he had a little wreck around fighting meetings. He said it was marginally unnerving, telling BBC Three who he's informed this narrative to, with many in your face Andrew Tate allies ridiculing you and calling you strange continually, in addition to you've done a meeting of Andrew Tate that drives them generally mad and that they believe you're a snake. I'm almost certain they believe he's a snake now after that narrative emerging. Yet it likewise proceeds to say in this article how I think a ton of men have been harmed, yet I think a ton of men there had been wounded by ladies. Discussing the Andrew Tate fans, Matt says the occasion's participants, there was a ton of separation men, a ton of men who had their hearts broken. He said, I think it was something they haven't managed that can make them run powerless and makes them disdain ladies. A ton of them was additionally discouraged and not happy with their bodies. A ton of them were pulsating themselves up a considerable amount. It was very miserable to see. A large number of the men would possibly address Matt, assuming that their characters were concealed in the narrative. A ton of them said they had occupations, a ton of them had wires that they would have rather not learned about it. For Matt anyway, zeroing in on the men is to overlook the main issue of the risky ascent of Andrew Tate. I don't maintain that the bring back home from this narrative should be what a difficult time young fellows have, which Andrew Tate discusses a great deal. This is a narrative that uncovered an association that has been blamed for dealing ladies are charges, and furthermore being blamed for advancing savagery. The genuine casualties are ladies. I figure one thing that this Macintosh fellow doesn't understand is that everything is made to order. Yes, ladies can be survivors of specific conditions, yet so can the men that were in any event joining in these spots that convey struggling. They might have been separated and emerged with nothing in that marriage, as Tate is examined in the past, which obviously doesn't get talked about in this article. This person relentless is coming for T and his fans. Wish you folks for watching what is happening, and obviously leave a like and buy in with the warning chime.